We're coming from Poland. My name is Pavel, and we are here with the whole journey. First of all, we've been to Kazakhstan, then Uzbekistan, and now we are in the beautiful mountains of Tajikistan. We've been just to one of the most beautiful lakes that I've ever seen on our path, and the people here in Tajikistan are incredible. They're lovely. They're really friendly. We're definitely going to come back here again, and totally recommend to everyone that wants to make a journey that's not obvious. You want to see something new, not go to the obvious place. Please come here, and you're definitely gonna be. It's gonna be a good place to and money well spent.
Yes, I was in the past in some beautiful mountains, like for example European Alps, and I think this is much better. And there is so much space to bring new people. Because when you go somewhere in Europe, it's crowded, there is a lot of people, and here you have a lot of local people who are super nice. I really respect you as a people, because it's beautiful how you behave on the daily basis, and yeah, it's beautiful, and definitely I will recommend Tajikistan to everyone.
My name is Alex. My day here was very good. I woke up pretty early in the morning, and then we went by buses to the start of the trail, and we went with our guide from Tajikistan up to the Kalikolum Lake, and now we are going back, and probably will be going down to hotel to rest.
Ассаламу алейкум, здравствуйте, мы из России, Сибири и с Урала. Мы путешествуем автостопом без денег, мы ночуем у людей в кишлаках, нас принимают, зовут в гости, иногда мы немножечко сами напрашиваемся. У нас из еды тоже ничего нет, 2 рюкзака еще есть, сейчас в нижнем кишлаке остались. А так мы идем и много хороших людей встречаем. Мы до сюда добрались через Узбекистан, Казахстан, и сейчас мы в Таджикистане. В Таджикистане очень много гостеприимных людей. Таджики вообще хорошие люди такие. На Памире также я был в апреле, там очень тоже классно. Я весь Памир почти пешком прошел. В Мургабском районе был, в Ишкашимском районе. Очень гостеприимные там люди. Вообще в Таджикистане нам очень нравится. И мы не можем здесь, как сказать...
Уйти из гостей. Нас постоянно заставляют оставаться. Надолго.
Еда очень вкусная. Бамазо. Первый раз. Мы сейчас поднялись пешком, у нас была только бутылочка для воды, а встретили там жителей, или кто там живет.
Они только на 3 месяца приезжают туда.
Очень вкусным кефиром нас угостили, спели песни, пообщались. Там женщина 86 лет, и у нее прям здоровые такие зубы.
Белые и ровные.
Они такие очень добрые, доброжелательные. Нам очень приятные.
Кефир был очень вкусным, он никогда не сравнится с магазинским, это точно.
У вас хороший чистый воздух и очень хорошие, добрые люди.
My name is Magdalena. I came from Poland, with a group of tourists, and really it was my dream to come to Tajikistan. This is my first time, and I really wanted for many years to come here to see your beautiful country, your mountains, and I really enjoyed the stay. I'm amazed that you are so nice people, open-minded and kind to us, and everyone is really everyone wants to talk with us, is interested in this what we are doing here, and really I wish that many more tourists have some opportunity to come here to Tajikistan. to see everything like we had a chance to see.
Меня зовут Марцин Яжемский, я из Польши. Живу в Варшаве, работаю гидом. Вчера приехали в Таджикистан. У нас тур Казахстан, Узбекистан, Таджикистан. Но я уже 4-й раз в Таджикистане, мне очень нравится здесь. Природа прекрасная, люди очень такие добрые. Так что я каждый раз, когда приезжаю в Таджикистан, я радуюсь.
My name is Michaela.
My name is Nicholas. We're from Denmark, Dania.
Far.
Tajikistan is really nice.
Yeah.
The mountains and the nature, and also people are super friendly.
Yeah. Yesterday when we got here, we the bus driver who took us to the small village down here, he invited us into his home and gave us tea and food, and it was just...
We have never experienced
It
that
was a
kind
very
of,
good experience. Everybody is so friendly.
Hospitality, it was so
Yeah.
nice.
Hello, my name is Eva and I'm from Sweden, from Gothenburg. I'm traveling to Tajikistan with my family. We arrived to Tajikistan border yesterday and our guide picked us up at the border, and then we have been hiking today, and the hike today was really nice. Very nice, and a lot of good food. The nature, I really like hiking, and I like the nature, the mountains, the lakes, and the possibility to see all the nature you have to offer for the tourists. We have been to a lot of countries with my family. We used to travel around every summer when our children had the summer holidays, and now they're grown-ups, but they still follow us. So I think Tajikistan is very nice, really nice country, so I really like Tajikistan.
My name is Thomas, I'm from Poland, from Krakow. Ja na ekskursji здесь with my wife. We go to the Kulikolan Lake. It's very fine excursion. It's very fine. It's a beautiful lake, no tired road. It's good.